Yo guys, today I'm going to show you how to get the Pokemon Go spoofer for iPhone and Android. All the settings, change your speed, change your joystick, use the bar, do it all. So let's get into the video, and this is for iPhone and Android videos. So just go over to zoomods.com basically, and this site has like tons of apps and stuff. And just type in Pokemon Go, and then find the spoofer, press on it, and it will download it. So before it downloads, there is going to be a verification you got to do where you have to download 2 apps and complete the instructions. This just finishes installing the spoofer onto your device. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to download here, as you can see. So yeah, it's super epic if you like Pokemon Go. So let's wait for it to download. All right. So here it is. So basically, it's gonna load up and it's gonna say, please install 2 free apps to automatically install the spoofer. It's gonna be around 4 of these, and you just want to press tap to install, and it'll bring you to the store. And make sure you do like whatever it says. Like this app said, reach level 15. If you're on an iPhone, it will obviously bring you to the App Store. Now, there's also some other apps. Page, install and register valid info, misplay, down, install, run 4 games for 5 minutes. So I don't really know what to tell you, but make sure you do 2 of them. They have like an AI you can talk to, which is pretty cool. So be sure to try it out for yourself. This is super insane. So as you can see, it says how to do it. So yeah, that's how to get the Pokemon Go spoofer fully working, guys. So it's pretty cool if you're a Pokemon Go fan. I'm a Pokemon Go master, so I had to get all the settings in here: the joystick, favorites, feed, speed hack, of course, very nice. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel if this kind of content interests you, and peace out.